What's up, guys? Wanted to do a quick product review of Vvivid's True R carbon fiber look vinyl wrap. As you can see, I wrapped the hood and the hood scoop here of my 2007 STI. You might see a little bit of streaks in there because I just wiped it down a little bit with some quick detailer there, so it hasn't quite dried off yet. Anyway, so this is their True R carbon fiber look vinyl wrap. It's got a semi-gloss or semi-sheen to it, so not full epoxy kind of gloss, but it's not quite the dry carbon look. It is slightly textured. I don't know if you can hear kind of as my fingers rub over, it's a little scratchy. That's because of the texture against my skin there. So for this application, it was pretty easy. I ended up taking off the hood scoop there and wrapping that separately. But when I applied it to the main part of the hood, it laid down pretty easy. It was easy to work with. I didn't have to use very much heat at all. Just overall, it was pretty nice to work with compared to some other carbon fiber type vinyls that I've worked with, which include Tech Wrap, 3M, and Avery. For the hood scoop, what I ended up doing when I took it off, I did this in two pieces. You can kind of see as I get closer here, the seam and the weave is a little different because as I was conforming this around, you can see this, as I was trying to get this in here, it altered the weave pattern just a little bit there. Got to the point where I was like, I'll just cut this out here and then lay a separate piece in there and kind of try to blend the two together. So as you can see, I try to keep the weave the same there, and then for the majority of this, keep the weave the same as the hood. And then there's a little bit of distortion, if you will, on the natural bend as this curves here and here. But overall, pretty easy to do. I think for the main hood piece here, probably took me, 45 minutes to an hour maybe, to include removing like some of the head washer jets, and about 10-15 minutes to get that hood scoop off. So probably closer to an hour. The hood scoop itself took me probably about 35 minutes or so. It's kind of messing around with it, trying to figure out the best way and troubleshooting on the go how to get this laid in there properly. So again, it looks really nice, a semi-sheen kind of color here. Let me see if I can get some kind of a good focus here to see the weave pattern in it. Nah, I don't know if that's going to be good. Try like this way. So again, this is Vvivid's True R carbon fiber look vinyl. You can buy it on vividshop.com. You can probably also get it through CK Wraps. I think other retailers like Amazon will probably have it as well. I bought it direct from Vvivid headquarters. Anyway, if you like this review, if you like this vinyl, give it a thumbs up. And if you want, give me a subscribe, and I'll try to do more videos for you like this. Thanks.